Ever wished you could keep your favorite video playing while you scroll through social media or text your friends? Today, we're unlocking the power of picture-in-picture mode on your Android device. First things first, we need to dive into your phone settings, locate and tap on the Settings app, usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the Apps and Notifications section. Tap on that to open it. Now, look for an option that says Special App Access, or it might be tucked away under it, Advanced, or similar submenu. Tap into that. Within the Special App Access menu, you should see an option specifically labeled Picture-in-Picture. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of apps that support picture-in-picture. Find the app you want to use in this mode, like YouTube or your preferred video player, and make sure the toggle switch next to it is turned on. If it's not already on, tap the switch to enable it. Now, let's see it in action. Open the app for which you just enabled picture-in-picture mode. For example, let's play a video on YouTube. While the video is playing, simply navigate away from the YouTube app. You can do this by pressing your home button or by swiping up from the bottom of the screen while you're whatever your usual method is. For multitasking, you'll see the YouTube video shrink down into a small, movable window that floats on top of your screen. You can then multitask freely, open another app, browse the web, or send a text message, all while your video continues to play in the background. You can often resize the picture-in-picture window by pinching with 2 fingers, or drag it to any corner of your screen to keep it out of the way. To get back to the full app, just tap on the floating window. And to close the picture-in-picture window entirely, simply swipe it off the side or bottom of your screen. It's that easy. Now you can enjoy a more flexible and productive Android experience.